Ooh, I'm tired. I just finished my workout. Here I did about 30 minutes. I'm gonna start doing an hour there on the treadmill, but I need to drop about 30 pounds. And during this last couple of years, I've gained a lot of weight. But anyway, a few of my subscribers been asking me, have I yet taken the COVID vaccine, either the Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson and Johnson? Let me give you a little background here. I made a video, and I think it probably was deleted, but I'm not for sure. But in February the 1st, 2021, I tested positive for COVID on the 1st of February, 2021. And you know me, I didn't believe it. I'm going to test again. So the next day on the 2nd, I got another test, and it came back positive. I did the rapid test, and I said, well, let me get a third one. So the next day on the 3rd, I got a third test, and it was positive. So yeah, me and my wife, we quarantined for a couple of weeks there, about 10 to 14 days. And I went back to the same place and got another test. They thought I was crazy. They said, why are you getting another test? I said, I quarantine. I want to make sure I test negative before I go out in public. They said, well, you could be positive for a while. Your test could be positive for months. I said, well, let's give it a try. So they tested me, and it was negative. And I came back the next day, and they tested me again, and it was negative. So I spent about $500 doing these tests. So I did test negative twice. I think it was around the 14th or 15th of February. And have I taken the vaccine? And the answer to that question is no. It's July the 12th now, 2021. I have not taken the vaccine. I'm not discouraging anybody else for not taking it or taking it. You can do what you feel. I know most of my family members, my brothers and sisters, they have taken it. Most of them have. But I go to Kroger's and get the antibodies test. And today I went and got the test, and I still have antibodies. So I still got antibodies that fights off COVID. I know we got different variants out there like the Delta and so forth, but I still have antibodies in my blood. So as long as I got the antibodies, I think I'm not gonna take the COVID vaccines. I know a lot of commercials and things out there is pushing, a lot of doctors and stuff is pushing people to take these vaccines. But like I said, I have the antibodies, and it's been since February, March, April, May, June, July, almost 6 months, and I still have the antibodies. So the answer to the question is no, I have not got the vaccines yet, and I don't know if I will or will not, but I'm gonna constantly test my antibodies, make sure I still have the antibodies in my blood. I do that probably once a month or whenever I feel like it. But as of today, no, I have not taken the vaccine. And put comments below what you guys think. Should I take it, or have you guys taken it? And how did you feel after you took it? But anyway, that's my update, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.